In Korean, there are levels to being mad, and one of them is actually kind of cute. 나 진짜 화났어? I'm really angry. This one's intense. You're mad, mad. Like, don't talk to me, mad. Usually used when something seriously happens. So maybe your friend betrayed you or you got into a fight with your sibling. 나 진짜 화났어? On the other hand, 나 삐졌어. I'm upset. I'm sulking. This one, totally K-drama energy. It's not explosive anger, it's pouty. You're mad, but you want the attention. Kind of like, you didn't text me back, so I'm upset. But like, look at me! 나 삐졌어. 나 삐졌어. So, fun fact, 화나다, actual anger. 삐지다, being salty, pouty, or passive-aggressive. Which one are you more likely to say? Be honest, 삐졌어? Korean emotions are always extra, always iconic. Don't get just mad. Get K-drama mad. Thank you for watching. 안녕.